SARS, swine flu, Ebola, COVID-19. What do these diseases have in common? All are caused by emerging viruses. Viruses are at the forefront of everyone's minds right now due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. But 4 years ago, when I started my PhD, a different virus was making headlines due to a mysterious rise in birth defects in Brazil. Unlike the novel coronavirus that causes COVID-19, virologists have known about Zika virus since the 1940s, and yet it took almost 70 years for Zika to become a common household term. So what's the difference? There are several possibilities. One is that over the preceding decades, Zika evolved mutations that influenced the course of the 2015 outbreak. Now, mutation sounds scary, but the reality is that all viruses mutate randomly when they replicate, and the vast majority of mutations are either neutral or harmful for the virus. In order for a mutation to establish itself, it must result in a virus with increased fitness. You can think of viral fitness just like physical fitness. A more fit athlete is more likely to win a competition, just like a virus with higher fitness is more likely to replicate and spread to new hosts. Imagine a race of identical runners, or viruses. Who wins? Your guess is as good as mine. But what if the runners each have a different random mutation, like what happens when viruses replicate? In this case, it depends on what the specific mutations are. If one runner has a neutral mutation, say a different hair color, they're still just as likely to win a race. If another runner has a harmful mutation, say weak ankles, they are less likely to win. But it's still possible if they're lucky. And if one runner has stronger heart and lungs, they would be more likely to win and advance to the next stage in the competition. In virology terms, they are more likely to be transmitted to a new host and spread throughout a population. Now, imagine all you know are the results of the race. You don't know whether the mutations the winning viruses have are neutral, harmful, or beneficial. And because emerging viruses are severely understudied until it's too late, you don't even know what makes a good virus in the first place. The goal of my research is to understand how Zika virus won the race of the 2015 epidemic. I am analyzing mutations found in this outbreak in order to learn what makes Zika more fit. I have already identified one mutation that facilitates the assembly of new virus particles and therefore may enable Zika to spread more easily. By understanding how viruses compete in the race of evolution, I hope we might one day be able to prevent the next pandemic caused by an emerging, evolving virus. Thank you.